strong dog.
In Jamaica, them say eagle dog touch sheep, but we only have goats, so we not have to worry. Today, me I go swing pan whisk. Yes, vines, because I don't have the web, so me use this instead. This is the mango tree web, by the way.
This one is the breadfruit tree whisk. So we're gonna fire the web in the sky and see how strong this is. That one is stretchy, man, a rubber man. Now them web here make me feel like me like Amazon jungle. Them enough me feel it good, me feel like home here. So that one here we just have to attack it straight at. It's strong, man, but Jesus Christ! All of this just caught me in a made all go in a dog. Guys, that one I named Gravestone Web. As you can see, Gravestone Web. So we're gonna try that one and see how it go. I have a kind of afraid, you know, but see it, yeah? That one then a weak jellyback. That one then I make it at all. Now we under the star apple tree. Them say the star apple is very mean, which is why the web them are strongest. Is it? Because them preserved just for me. So now we are going to test it. The one we are going to see upside down upon that one. You see it? Ready? Somebody call the ambulance. Man down. Spider down. Anyway, which one I web them I think strong? The mango tree, gravestone, star apple tree, or breadfruit tree? Jesus Christ, man, I did this again. We could test the mango tree web again. Spider! 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 Spider!